Don't hurt us, okay? She'll kick my ass. Facial. Quit videotaping me. If they get up, it's gonna be ugly.
You're not getting up.
Oh, if I did, it'd be really ugly. Quit laughing at me. That guy. Right there. Turn the camera. Let the whole audience see who's laughing at me. Good. There you go. Ah.
Yes, Harry Spolstra is laughing at you.
Sarah? What? Who's laughing? Phone in the pocket. Go in pockets. Don't judge me.
Too late.
I have feelings.
Don't care.
Can I make another Jaeger bomb? That's alright, I know what it is. You're an asshole. Now you got my attention.
You can't even get off the couch and you want to go drink more
I
alcohol?
can get off the couch.
Clearly
I
not.
can't get back up off the ground.
Oh, Jesus.
Official.
No, that hit my camera. Yeah, go get the alcohol.
Oh, there's a chair there.
Alright, no more. You cut off, dude.
No. Quit videotaping me.
No, it's blurry.
This is Larry's cup that was